If you find the tasks of creating posts, responding to followers, and generating reports for all your social media accounts to be overwhelming, that's understandable. However, there's no need to worry as we have got your back. In this video we are going to provide you a list of social media automation tools, repetitive or manual tasks, that took you hours are now done within a few clicks. Sendable. Sendable is one of the social media automation tools that has all the necessary features for you to run your social media daily activities, from scheduling, posting, analyzing, and monitoring on a budget. You can schedule individual posts on your content calendar from your dashboard or even in bulk with CSV files. Sendable gives you the option of resizing images to fit every social media network. You can add clients and team members to create workflows with approval and custom permissions. It can generate and send reports automatically to your clients. Also, it provides you with insights about the social media networks that drive the most traffic to your website, top performing posts, and optimal posting times. You can check data around industry keywords and hashtags as well. Loonly. Next up we have Loonly. Loonly is a social media automation tool that offers content management features for both organic and promoted posts, plus live optimization tips for your content. It includes step-by-step guidance to create organic and promoted content. Whenever your team member edits or comments on your content, you receive a notification. You can create campaigns and boost sponsored posts from Loonly and schedule the date you want them to go live. Loonly provides you the option to analyze all your social media posts, even the ones that weren't posted from Loonly, and get insights with automated UTM codes added to your URLs. If you're working in agencies, maintaining small businesses, or even enterprise companies, it could be a simple and easy-to-use tool for your content management. Tailwind. Moving on, there is Tailwind. It is a solution that helps you market on social media channels like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Tailwind also helps you grow with email marketing. With Tailwind you can generate ideas, design stylish content, and optimize it to convert more customers. Loonly has various plans for different strategies. You can get a social media plan tailored to your type of business and marketing needs. This feature provides content ideas and reminders to track your posting schedule in the social media calendar. Tailwind can automatically generate multiple designs for your posts with customizable brand colors, fonts, and logos. It also recommends you with the high-performing hashtags according to your captions and add links to your posts to convert more customers and get sales. Promo Republic. You can think of Promo Republic as a big hub for social media automation. You can manage hundreds of social media accounts across networks from a single hub. This makes Promo Republic a perfect tool for brands with multiple locations. With Promo Republic you can have access to templates for high-performing posts and customize them with your brand colors and style. It offers you workflows to approve edits or leave suggestions and collaborate with your team. You can create advertising campaigns that reach local audiences by using filters for zip code or city. Promo Republic provides with data about your posts to determine the kind of content that your audience likes the most. Octopost. Octopost is a social media automation tool that provides you general features like scheduling, analytics, and social listening with integrated AI. You can scale up B2B social media by using a people database to get more qualified leads. You can create multiple social media posts in seconds with AI. Then approve or reject these posts using workflows with tier permissions. It's very easy to generate a leaderboard in Octopost, where you can track your team's performance metrics. Octopost lets you filter your posts by topics so your team can share content they care about on their social media. Now you can monitor your brand mentions across major social media networks and websites. You can also get information about influential profiles that address relevant topics. Brand24. Next on this list, we have Brand24. Brand24 is a social media automation software that focuses on checking the general sentiment around your brand. With this, you can manage conversations with your clients and make their experience better with your brand. Brand24 uses AI to determine if online brand mentions are positive, negative, or neutral and set up alerts so you can act if you receive a negative mention. One of the cool things about Brand24 is you can automate the generation of reports on PDF, Excel, and even infographics. Agorapulse. Moving on, we have Agorapulse for you. Agorapulse is an all-in-one social media automation tool that's great for those just starting to grow their social media presence. This solution takes pride in providing great customer service with a 30-minute response time. It can manage your messages with the inbox assistant, which organizes or labels your items. With this feature, you can create canned responses to address the same questions multiple times. You can also schedule and approve content with your team and clients. Agorapulse also offers a mobile app to publish on the go. There are parameters which you can use to focus on conversations about your brand and competitors. Agorapulse provides you with custom reports of gained or lost followers and social media interactions. Content Studio. Now we have a bit of different kind of tool for you social media automation. Content Studio stands distinguished from other social media automation tools as one of its features analyzes the content strategy of influencers, so you can use it to your advantage. Plus, this tool covers the basics of scheduling and analyzing social media posts. It offers you scheduling and approving content with your team or clients. You can also use the Chrome extension to share content with your audience easily. You can get demographic information from your followers and publishing behavior data from competitors. It enables you to categorize your conversations and assign them to the right team member. You can reply to messages with canned responses and see if a teammate is already replying in real time. With Content Studio, you are able to search high-performing content and analyze it so you know what topics are trending on social media. Buffer. Next up on the list is Buffer. Buffer lets you post on multiple platforms and schedule posts for each of your social networks. This social media automation tool uses a calendar view so you can see what posts are scheduled when, with suggestions on auto-scheduling posting times. Buffer offers you collaboration features so your social media team can draft posts for you to approve. The app will automatically include the first comment for you when publishing on Instagram, often used to keep hashtags out of your main description. This way, people will have more ways to find and engage with your content. You can monitor the success of your campaigns with Buffer's automated social media analytics report generation. These include robust social media analytics to let you know when to post what type of content at which frequency. And, as you pivot strategy, changing the publishing schedule in a snap. Social Pilot. If you are a marketing professional who works with a remote team often, then Social Pilot can be a game changer for you. It enables you to collaborate with remote teams on a regular basis without much complications. Also, not all social media automations tools are as efficient as Social Pilot when it comes to bringing in content from other applications. Social Pilot lets you create content from Dropbox uploads directly. Then you can have the access to curated content to use based on your needs as well as RSS feed imports. Furthermore, Social Pilot has more standard automation tools. For example, it facilitates post scheduling, including the ability to repeatedly publish posts at certain time intervals as well as upload your posts in bulk. If your company has lots of brands, or even you're an agency, this can be a huge time saver for you. Social Pilot's social media analytics allow you to reshare popular posts directly from your calendar and automatically boost Facebook posts from within the post composer. This way, you only need to work with the boost once. And that's a wrap, folks. We hope you found this information valuable and insightful. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay up to date with the latest social media trends and automation strategies, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new content. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video on social media automation tools.